a hermit crab in the shell. Tiago's tips. A Hercules beetle. When we got home, we actually found out it was an ox beetle. This place was interesting. There was a river that met with the ocean. This is where we stayed. It was beautiful. I like to push the water like this. Well, it's like a handle. I mean.
Oh, I see. This is Papa Benabo. The beaches were so beautiful. Every day we took long walks on the beach. We found a sand crab and a hermit crab. I was swimming with Mommy, and I learned some tricks.
Good. Well, you have to use both of your legs. Watch. Put both of your legs in. Yes!
Then we took a trip on an ATV. We decided to take a trip to the waterfalls. Then we rode a horse.
What's up, bro?
Okay. We both took a shortcut. But your horse is like really. I would like to be on your horse, Bobby.
Why?
It's really fast. Then we have to walk down. Then we finally made it to the waterfall. Look how beautiful this waterfall is. Whoa! Now we started driving back home. That four-wheeler thing was really strong. It could go through the water. That's how strong it is. It was great to drive around along the coast. We got to see a lot of different beaches. Now I started to get a little sleepy on the motorcycle. So I decided to take a nap.
Make sure to click the subscribe button.